verstärkten die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be giving a review on David Beckham's Infinite Aqua, and I'm also going to be letting you know my fragrance of the day. But before I get into that, I just want to announce that I'm going to be doing a giveaway on 3 sample bottles. I've got Parfums de Mali Oagen, the DL Oud, and I also have Indonesian Oud by Emengildo Zegna. So the conditions for entry for this giveaway are that unfortunately you have to be here in Australia. International shipping right now is simply too expensive. So yeah, you've got to be in Australia, got to be subscribed to the channel, and then just leave a comment saying that you're entering the sampler giveaway. In a couple days time, once there's enough entries, I'm just going to do a random giveaway, and yeah, if you win, I'll let you know in the YouTube comments, and you can send me like your Instagram or something like that, and I'll get your shipping details and get your samples sent off. So yeah, if you want to enter the sample giveaway, just make sure you subscribe and then leave a comment on the video saying you're entering the giveaway. Let's ship out some beautiful fragrances to the beautiful mates of the Aussie Marcel fragrance community. So fragrance of the day is Prada's Luna Rossa Sport. What I really like about this one is that I picked this one up yesterday, and the vanilla note and the lavender note in this are just to die for. It just takes the classic and sophisticated DNA of Prada Luna Rossa, just gives it a smoother, creamier finish, and kind of ramps up that lavender note. It's such a good fragrance, and the performance for this one is actually pretty incredible for such a fresh smelling fragrance. So props to Prada for this one. It's the best performing of the Prada Luna Rossa line from what I've smelt at least. I haven't smelled Ocean though, but if you've smelled Ocean, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what the performance is like on that one. So we will be talking about David Beckham's Infinite Aqua right now, and I'm just going to start this one off by saying that if you can pick this one up or any of the other David Beckham Eau de Parfums for $19 at Priceline, you may as well just go right ahead and pick them up for that price because it's pretty solid. Chemist Warehouse do have them for $34, but off of sale, these David Beckham Eau de Parfums are going for $50. I don't recommend any of them at that price. Make sure you're getting them at the $19 price point, and even at $34, it's a bit of a stretch, but if you really like one of them, it's not too bad of a value. So Infinite Aqua, it says right here, long-lasting eau de parfum, a scent like holidays by the coast, sea breeze, lemon trees, and a breath of fresh air. The bottle and presentation of the fragrance itself is pretty nice. I love how clean and minimalistic it is. And yeah, I'll be putting some B-roll over here just to give you a prettier look at the bottle, if you could call it that, I suppose. But yeah, fragrance itself, atomizer, you can't smell the fragrance out of the atomizer, so you know it's not particularly strong. 2 sprays on the hand. Let some of that alcohol evaporate a little bit. Straight away, you get that sort of Nautica Voyage heritage sort of vibe here, but it's a tiny bit more dense than either of those fragrances. You get citrus up top. Undoubtedly, you get some citrus notes. To my nose, it smells a little like lemon rind, lemon peel. If you take like a lemon peel and then twist it near the rim of the glass to get some of the essential oils onto the rim, it smells a little bit like that. Beneath that, you get some fresh spicy facets. To my nose, it smells like a really clean green vetiver. It's not smoky, it isn't dry, it isn't dusty, it isn't dirty. It's just a really elegant sort of vetiver here. It's one of the nicer notes presented in the fragrance. You get some light sweetness here as well. Infinite Aqua is a boring smelling fragrance, I'm not going to lie to you about that. If you're after something challenging or something that's gonna, make people question what you're wearing, something along those lines, something animalic, a zoologist, a Beaufort London, anything like that, you're gonna be sorely disappointed by a fragrance like this. But if your goal is to wear something fresh, clean, versatile, and you're in a warm or hot climate, Infinite Aqua is gonna be right up your alley, I reckon. There's nothing in this that can make people dislike the fragrance. Maybe one of the fragrance elitists on Fragrantica or Parfumo or something like that will dislike the way this one smells. You know, it's all well and good for those dickheads to say, alrighty then, here we've got a boring, mass appealing fragrance, it's not for me. That's all well and good, but to say something smells bad just because it isn't to your taste, yeah, I look at things a little differently. Is this to my tastes? Well, not exactly, but I'm objective enough to say that it still smells decent. And look, I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you here, mates. If the only thing you care about is wearing a fragrance that impresses girls, that's gonna turn their heads and it's gonna get you some positive reactions, David Beckham's Infinite Aqua is gonna be for you. There is nothing in this one that most people are gonna dislike. This is a perfectly serviceable, fresh fragrance. It's gonna be versatile. It smells decent. Is it the best thing I've ever smelled? Hell no, this thing's boring as hell. But for compliments, it's pretty decent. And I will admit that the performance for this one is not too bad either. I unboxed this and filmed it the other day, but I wasn't too happy with the video. Performance was about 6.5 to 7 hours, which for a Beckham fragrance is pretty impressive. So yeah, if you're after something that's sort of similar to the Nautica fragrances, but a little more dense and, you know, longer lasting, David Beckham's Infinite Aqua may be right up your alley. So, if you've ever worn any of these new David Beckham Eau de Parfums, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.